respected teacher, my dear friend, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to say few words about the importance of learning English. English is not just a subject; it is a skill for life. It helps us to speak confidently, study better, dream bigger. English opens the door to higher education, good job, and all the world. If we know English, we can use internet properly and understand books, videos, and communicate with people everywhere. It makes us smart, confident, and Child English Academy. We are learning in an easy way. Child is a great English teacher. He teaches very well. He explains in a very simple and easy way. We are not afraid of making mistakes. We learn by practice. Practice makes us perfect. So let us promise to practice English every day and believe in yourself. English can change our future. So I can say that you learn English and ensure better life. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Stay well, stay safe. Bye bye.